Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Norma Li, and here I will do debate to complete my English debate and critical thinking midterm test. So the motion is this house would let the government fully own and manage all public transportation in Indonesia. Good morning. Today we all gather to discuss crucial motion, which is this house would let the government fully own and manage all public transportation. The current public transportation system in Indonesia is improving, with private operators providing various services. However, there are concerns about the effectiveness of government intervention and the potential risk of government ownership. As the government team, we strongly believe that government ownership and management of public transportation would bring numerous benefits for our citizens. First, government ownership would ensure that public transportation is accessible for all citizens, regardless of their income or social status. This would promote social equity and reduce transportation disparities. Second, government ownership would enable better coordination and integration of public transportation services, reducing congestion and improving travel times. This would make public transportation more efficient and convenient for citizens. And last but not least, government ownership would allow us to prioritize sustainable transportation options such as electric or hybrid vehicles and promote environmentally friendly transportation practices. This will contribute a cleaner and healthier environment for citizens. We propose that government establishes a state-owned enterprise to manage and operate public transportation service in Indonesia. This enterprise would prioritize accessibility, efficiency, and sustainability and would be accountable to citizens and government. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Now I will give arguments from opposition team, but first I will give the rebuttals for opening government. Government team argued that government ownership would promote accessibility and environmental benefits. However, we believe that these goals can be achieved through more targeted and nuanced approaches, such as public-private partnerships and regulations, rather than government ownerships. And then we will go to our arguments. Current public transportation in Indonesia is a mix of private and public operators, providing various services to citizens. While there are challenges and limitations, the system is functional and provides essential services to millions of Indonesians. Private operators have shown innovation and adaptability in responding to citizen needs, and public-private partnerships have been successful in some areas. So, as the opposition team, we strongly believe that government ownership and management of public transportation would lead to inefficiency and lack of innovation. Okay, government ownership would lead to inefficiency and stifling innovation and competition in the transportation sector. This would result in poor service quality and high cost of citizens. Government ownership would limit the ability of private operators to innovate and improve transportation services. This would result in a lack of diversity and choice for citizens and would stifle the development of new transportation technologies. And then government ownership would require significant investment and resources, which would be a burden on taxpayers. This would lead to increased cost for citizens either through taxes or fares. Okay, and the proposal is the government promotes public private partnerships and encourages innovation and competition in the transportation sector. This would involve collaborating with private operators to provide public transportation services, while ensuring that regulations and standards are in place to prioritize safety, accessibility, and affordability. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So here I will give the closing statement for government team. In conclusion of our argument, we firmly believe that government ownership and management of public transportation is the key to creating a more efficient, sustainable, and equitable transportation system for Indonesia. By prioritizing accessibility, efficiency, and environmental benefits, we can build a better future of our citizens. We urge you to support our proposal and join us in shaping a transportation system that serves the needs of all Indonesians. Thank you. Good morning. So, here I will give the closing statement for opposition team. So, in conclusion of our arguments, we believe that the government ownership and management of public transportation is not the solution to Indonesia's transportation challenges. Instead, we propose promoting public-private partnerships and encouraging innovation and competition in the transportation sector. By working together with private operators and prioritizing citizens' needs, we can build a more efficient, sustainable, and equitable transportation system for Indonesia. Thank you.